it's almost like falling in love. The heart starts pounding. You just want to get as close as you possibly can. Oh my gosh, it's a whole new world. It's a whole new perspective. Gives you a sense of how little we actually know. This is one of my favorite spots to fly early in the morning. I've been quite lucky here to find the sharks. Oh, here we go. Let's go see what's out there. What I do is I go up and I search for the bait balls. Once I see the school of fish, I go towards it and then I go down low. I've seen a large influx of the sharks within the past 5 years. I've seen them literally 20 to 30 feet offshore. New York State put in effect a ban on using nets to catch the bait fish. And since that point, they have just multiplied. The water has gotten warmer, and with the influx of the bait fish, now we're seeing a lot more of the predators, sharks, whales, and everything.